Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Ford Ranger, stock number 6205. Let's ramp from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear door 4 dents. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.